What you're about to witness is a story of impossible transformation. A hidden power is about to be unleashed, not with magic, but with grit and genius. This is not a simple repair. It's a resurrection. Stay with us as we unveil how the discarded is made divine. It begins with a single, daunting challenge, a machine that has lost its will beneath the rust and grime. A deeper story of decay unfolds. As the world watches on, all à quiete détermination take hold. With focused intent, she begins the painstaking process of revival. Every component is a piece of a forgotten puzzle. The challenge expands another machine, another story of neglect. But for her, it's another chance to create and restore. The work is methodical, precise. Each turn of the wrench is an act of defiance against decay. The wheels of transformation are set in motion. Slowly, carefully, order is restored from chaos. Each bolt tightened is a promise of renewal. The final check's a testament to her meticulous craft. The tools are put away, but the journey is far from over. A silent test of the reborn machine. And with that, a simple ride becomes a victory lap. A quiet moment of triumph. A smile that says it all. The story, however, goes deeper. We witness the very beginning, the heart of the problem, a tear in the core. A new heart is carefully placed, a delicate, hopeful surgery. Every detail matters in this intricate dance of restoration. She channels her strength, forcing pieces to align once more. Life is breathed back into the machine, one pump at a time. The complex systems of control are meticulously reassembled. With powerful tools, she dives deeper into the mechanics. This is where true mastery is unveiled in the heart of the engine. The dust of neglect coats every surface. She seeks out the missing pieces, the forgotten fragments of a former whole. The weight of the task is immense, a burden carried with astounding strength. The salvaged parts are gathered like precious artifacts. A baptism for the broken, washing away years of abandonment. Each part is cleansed, prepared for its new beginning. Through mud and flood, her resolve never wavers. The final shell is polished, revealing the ghost of what it once was. Now, the true heart surgery begins. The pieces are sorted, a complex inventory of mechanical bones. The machine's nervous system, a tangled web of wires and potential. At last, the restored machine stands as a monument to her skill. Her focus is absolute as she works on the delicate engine. The deconstruction continues, revealing the machine's innermost secrets. Specialized tools are required for this next challenging phase. A close inspection of a critical precision component, the suspension system, the very bones of the machine, are lead bar. Her hands, though stained by the work, move with surgical grace. This is a task of immense concentration and unwavering patience. She examines each small part, ensuring perfection before reassembly. The puzzle begins to come back together, stronger than before. Attention now turns back to the engine block. Power tools are used to release parts seized by time and rust. The drive system is carefully dismantled. The chain, the link between power and motion, is set aside. She works on the intricate transmission system. The rear wheel is methodically resecured to the frame. Every screw and bolt is tightened with precision. The final components of the body are put into place. The result, a machine reborn, ready for its next life. But her work is not confined to two wheels. The same focused energy is applied to another complex machine. Her hands tell a story of hard labor and profound expertise. The entire drive system is exposed for a major overhaul. She navigates the complex heart of the Honda engine, layer by layer. The engine secrets are unveiled. The old, worn-out parts are cataloged and removed. Rebuilding the frame is a physically demanding process. Now, then her attention turns to the machine's delicate dashboard. The speedometer, which has clocked countless miles, is carefully removed. The plastic housing is gently pried away. Even the headlight requires a complete and careful disassembly. The reassembly begins a slow and steady path to completion. Each piece of the outer shell is painstakingly reattached. The bike's identity begins to take shape once more. The sleek plastic panels are fitted into place. The final form is emerging from the collection of parts. A final touch. A small but essential piece. The work is precise, even on the smallest details of the taillight. She moves to the front, continuing the meticulous process. The dashboard, showing over 0 kilometers, is given new life. Preparation for the next stage. Protecting the original body. She marks the areas that need special attention. The seat is removed, revealing the frame beneath. A moment of intense focus on the vehicle's core structure. The seat is carefully reinstalled. The lifeblood of the engine, the old oil, is drained away. The engine is sealed, ready for its fresh start. In the fading light, she continues her tireless work. A test of the electrical systems, the new lights shine bright. Her skills are not limited to personal vehicles. She tackles industrial machinery with the same confidence. She tunes the equipment with an expert touch. The entire operation relies on her technical knowledge. She makes fine adjustments to the processing machinery. Her work ensures the entire system runs smoothly. She even crafts components by hand, sewing a custom filter screen, this handmade piece is a crucial part of the process. The beginning of a larger project starts with a simple needle and thread. This custom-made filter is fitted onto an industrial basin. Next, she prepares the air compressor, a vital power source. The heavy chains of the machinery are caked in dirt, waiting for restoration. With a soft brush, she cleans the delicate parts of a large grinder. An aerial view reveals the complexity of the processing system. Raw materials are brought in, ready to be transformed. The process begins as the machine is fed. The old, rusted machine roars to life, performing its function. The result, a milky white liquid, the product of all her hard work. But the work never stops. An old water pump engine needs her attention. She works tirelessly to maintain the equipment that sustains her community. The scale of her projects is astonishing. Now, she tackles her biggest challenge yet, a heavy excavator. She fearlessly works on the massive machine's inner workings. No part of the machinery is too complex for her to handle. Her diagnostic skills are put to the test. The intricate hydraulics of the excavator are carefully adjusted. She delves into the complex wiring, the machine's central nervous system, the final touches on the colossal machine. With incredible strength, she maneuvers parts of the heavy excavator. It's a team effort to manage the formidable piece of equipment. Her presence is central to the repair of the massive machine. She takes on the grueling task of cleaning the mud-caked caterpillar tracks. The undercarriage shows the signs of intense, heavy labor. She prepares her tools for the deep dive into the excavator's mechanics. Heavy metal plates are removed to access the engine. She expertly navigates the complex web of hydraulic hoses, working underneath the beast. Her focus is unwavering. The tracks are a testament to the harsh conditions this machine endures. She continues to adjust and repair the vital hydraulic lines. The excavator is slowly but surely being brought back to full strength. Her understanding of this complex system is masterful. Power tools are needed to disassemble the toughest parts. The process of reassembly is just as demanding. Every connection is checked and secured. The job is not done until every hose is perfectly in place. She crawls underneath the massive machine to continue her work. It takes a collaborative effort to refuel and service the excavator. She takes the lead, directing the service operation, working into the night. Their dedication shines under the work lights. Her work continues in the daylight. A constant cycle of repair. She takes on the back-breaking work of digging through thick mud. And now, a new project, a motorcycle that looks beyond saving. The first step is a thorough cleaning, a ritual of rebirth. Even after washing, the deep scars of rust and time remain. She begins the deep dive into this new mechanical puzzle. The parts are laid out, an autopsy of a dead machine. The engine is completely removed from the frame. The delicate process of dismantling the engine begins. Surrounded by parts, she is in her element. Each tiny component is inspected with intense focus. The engine block starts to come together again, piece by piece. The complex assembly continues. A testament to her memory and skill, she gives the rebuilt engine a final, critical inspection. The last piece of the engine puzzle is put into place. The resurrected engine is now ready for the next stage. Another engine block, another challenge to be met. Working in tandem, they tackle the intricate machinery. The focus shifts to the delicate electronics within the engine. A crucial component is examined before being installed. Sparks fly as the metal is reshaped and refined. The old fluids are drained, purging the machine of its past. Holding the clean engine, she is ready for the final assembly. A fresh coat of paint provides a new skin for the rebuilt heart. The frame of the motorcycle is stripped down and prepared. The wheels are given a vibrant new color, a splash of personality. The frame itself is transformed with a coat of brilliant red paint. The newly painted engine is carefully mounted onto the frame. The complex web of wires is painstakingly reconnected. The gleaming yellow wheels are attached to the new body. She inspects her work as the final pieces come together. A final tightening of a bolt, securing the transformation. The seat is fitted, completing the motorcycle's form. The exhaust pipe, the voice of the machine, is installed. A final moment, the engine turns over. A life and
a very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Constant Repair Counts for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.